There are several important reasons why it is not advisable to use hardware from house construction in shipbuilding. These reasons relate to both technical aspects and safety at sea. Here are some main reasons. First, corrosion and saltwater resistance. Ships operate in an extremely corrosive environment as they are constantly exposed to salt water and humid air. Materials used in house construction are often not designed to deal with these extreme conditions. Locks intended for indoor use could quickly rust and become damaged, affecting their functionality. Second, mechanical stress. Ships are subject to constant movement, vibration, and shock due to wave action and other environmental influences. A lock that works well in house construction may not withstand these stresses and could easily be damaged or jammed. In shipbuilding, special marine-grade materials and construction are used to compensate for such stresses. Third, safety concerns. Ships must meet higher safety standards than houses, as people's lives at sea depend on their functioning. An inferior hardware could be more easily tampered with or broken, which would pose a significant safety risk. In contrast, shipbuilding uses high-quality hardware that is robust enough to prevent failure. Fourth, fire resistance. Strict fire safety regulations apply in shipbuilding, as a fire at sea is particularly dangerous. Materials used in house construction may not meet the required fire-resistant standards for shipbuilding. The use of unsuitable locks could increase the risk of fire. Fifth, certifications and standards. Ships must meet certain certifications and standards to be allowed to sail at sea. This includes the use of appropriate materials and components that meet safety guidelines. Locks from house construction could not meet these requirements. In summary, shipbuilding has specific requirements for materials and components that must meet the extreme conditions at sea. The use of domestic hardware in shipbuilding would not only compromise the integrity of the ship, but also increase the risk of safety problems. It is therefore essential to use specially developed maritime components in shipbuilding to ensure the safety and functionality of the vessel. Marine-grade materials are specifically designed and manufactured to withstand the harsh conditions and challenges posed by marine environments, including saltwater exposure, high humidity, temperature fluctuations, and mechanical stresses. These materials are essential in various industries, such as shipbuilding, offshore structures, coastal infrastructure, and even certain outdoor applications where exposure to extreme conditions is a concern. Here are some key characteristics and types of marine-grade materials. First, corrosion resistance. One of the most critical properties of marine-grade materials is their resistance to corrosion caused by salt water. Stainless steel, especially types like 304 or 316L, is a common marine-grade material due to its high corrosion resistance. This prevents rust and deterioration of components over time. Second, high strength. Marine environments subject materials to significant mechanical stresses due to waves, currents, and vessel movements. Marine-grade materials are often engineered to provide high tensile strength and durability to withstand these forces. Third, galvanic compatibility. Different metals can react when in contact with each other in a saltwater environment, leading to galvanic corrosion. Marine-grade materials are selected to be galvanically compatible to minimize the risk of corrosion caused by dissimilar metal contact. Fourth, resistance to UV radiation. Ultraviolet, UV, radiation from the sun can degrade materials over time. Marine-grade materials are formulated to resist UV damage, ensuring their longevity in open and exposed marine environments. Fifth, impact and abrasion resistance. Materials used in marine applications need to withstand impact from floating debris, collisions, and abrasion from constant exposure to water and waves. Special coatings or alloys are often used to enhance these properties. Sixth, fire resistance. Many marine-grade materials need to meet specific fire safety standards, especially in passenger vessels and offshore platforms, to reduce the risk of fires spreading quickly in confined spaces. Seventh, chemical resistance. Marine environments can expose materials to a variety of chemicals, including salt water, fuels, and cleaning agents. Marine-grade materials are selected to resist chemical degradation and maintain their structural integrity. 8. Sealing and waterproofing. In shipbuilding and offshore applications, effective sealing and waterproofing are essential to prevent water intrusion. Marine-grade sealants and coatings help maintain the integrity of structures and prevent leakage. Using marine-grade materials is crucial to ensure the safety, longevity, and reliability of structures, vessels, and equipment in marine environments. These materials are specifically engineered to address the unique challenges presented by saltwater, humidity, and the mechanical stresses experienced at sea. Schwepper products combine all those quality demands. Based in Germany, Schwepper is one of the worldwide leading manufacturing companies of quality marine lock and hardware systems. The product portfolio covers door locks of any kind, cabinet locks, keying systems, cabinet and general marine hardware, handrail systems, etc. Everything the mariner needs in a one-stop shop concept, plus the extra value of customizing all products. The products excel in an almost invisible claim rate, long durability and high flexibility, which are factors on which, for example, navies and the offshore industries around the world have based their trust. These users have the highest demand on daily operation throughout the lifetime cycle under constant use of 24/7. Many ship owners still consider this kind of product as a C or D category, but without a flawless daily operability far away from shore, every ship operation might easily be stalled. Thank you for choosing Schwepper as your strategic partner. We love creating solutions.